In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have one task in multiple lists in ClickUp. This is a really useful feature when a single task needs to appear in more than one workflow without creating duplicates. Instead of copying the task and managing separate versions, ClickUp lets you place the same task in multiple lists, while keeping everything synchronized in one place. To get started, open the App Center and go to All Click Apps. From there, find the feature called Tasks in Multiple Lists and turn it on. If this feature isn't enabled, you won't be able to add the same task to more than one list. So this is the first thing to check before moving forward. Once that's enabled, open the task you want to display in another list. This should be the existing task you want to reuse, not a new duplicate. Opening the task first helps you make changes directly from the task window and confirm that you're working with the correct item. At the top of the task, look for the location breadcrumbs. Next to those breadcrumbs, click the plus icon. This is where you can add another location for the task. The breadcrumbs show where the task currently lives, so using the plus icon beside them is the quickest way to add it somewhere else. After that, search for the additional list where you want this task to appear, then select it. Make sure you choose the correct list, especially if your workspace has similar names across folders or spaces. Once selected, the task will now exist in both locations. To confirm everything worked, check the breadcrumbs at the top of the task again. You should now see every list that contains this task. This is a helpful way to verify that the task has been added correctly and to keep track of all its locations. Now, if you edit the task from any of its lists, those updates stay synchronized everywhere. That means the task details, comments and any changes remain the same no matter which list you open it from. This is one of the biggest benefits of using this feature, because it keeps your work organized without creating conflicting versions. If you ever want to remove the task from one of the additional lists, go back to the task breadcrumbs and hover over the extra location you want to remove. Click the ellipsis, then select Remove Task from this list. This removes only that location, not the task itself. And that's how to have one task in multiple lists in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.